Hello lovely formulators, I am at home from Skin Chakra, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. And today Svetlana and I are going to show you how to make this beautiful whipped balm. It is a ridiculously simple formulation and you cannot believe how amazing it is until you make it and test it. Distinguishing this balm is the high content of rice starch, and it imparts a very dry, powdery effect. So when you apply the balm over your skin, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky, and even in summer, it has a very nice and light, powdery skin feel. We make a very simple kiss formulation today, and it is to prepare you to make this formulation and test it, and in a couple of weeks we are going to jazz it up by adding active ingredients and make it a very nice and effective facial balm. So follow Svetlana to see how she makes this formulation, and as always the complete formulation and procedure are available on our blog as well.